Today on Ice Bear Does Stuff, we ride Foresthill. Learned that the front-facing mic on the GoPro is terrible and have to redo this intro. Not at Foresthill. Tell you about my phone getting fixed, run in two-way traffic, and forget my thought process. Also, today on Ice Bear Does Stuff, we find out that my foot bag's trying to fall off. Welcome to Foresthill on this beautiful August 5th. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing pretty good. It's a nice, hot, dry, dusty day here. My first ride. But I wanted to give you guys an update about a few things and to chat with you for a while. Yeah, have you guys ever been to Foresthill? It's a wonderful place out here near Auburn, California. There's about 100 miles of trails basically like this. Nice, easy forest trails. There's about 2 trails that are difficult, Trail 5 and Trail 6, but the majority of it's not bad and fun to come out here and get your workout and ride and have a good time. All the trails here are 2 ways, so you have to be aware of those 2-way trails, but as long as you're not stupid, it's a good place to practice and train and have some fun. I just love it out here. I mean, it's 100 miles of pure bliss. No running water or anything, but I enjoy it for a short trip or a day trip. It's not too bad. It's about an hour and a half from where I live. So that's what I'm doing today, just a short day trip by myself. There is one campground that has showers and whatnot, but it's privately owned and you can't ride out of it, but it does have a lake. But they're pretty friendly. You can talk to them and they'll give you a spot near the gate and you can just push your bike out and start riding on the forest road. Of course, if you have a plated bike, no, that's a problem. So, you guys may remember last time I talked to you, told you about some of my bad luck. Well, I got some good news. My phone's finally fixed. Good guys at Solano Phone Repair in Vacaville, and they have one location in Fairfield too. Took care of me. I was surprised how hard it was to find someone to fix my phone. I was looking on Yelp and places with good reviews, and I have Square Trade, which is like a insurance for your phone. And I was looking for a repair place that was preferred by them. I contacted a few places, and no one was responding to me. I don't know if it's because I don't have an iPhone or a Samsung. I have a I have a Google Pixel 2 XL. Kind of has the curved glass and everything. The screen's a little pricey. Well, that's fine. Oh man, these sand reds are done today. It's been a while since I've been out here. Sandy. But I'm gonna find anywhere to get hold of me, and finally I contacted Solano Phone Repair through their Yelp page. The guy got back to me right away, responsive, and told me he could have the screen in a week and take about 45 minutes for the repair. And cool, and he did me a favor. He didn't even get a deposit from me since I live so far away. I lived about 45 minutes away from the place, and But I had a little bad luck with their supplier. The first screen they got shipped to them never came. It got lost in transit, so it actually took 2 weeks. But I don't blame them for that. They were very communicative. Communication with them was really good. They told me the situation. I was like, that's fine, man. I lived with the correct screen for that long. What's one more week? And if you guys don't remember, I'll give you a quick reminder of what happened to my phone. It happened on the 4th of July with all the good luck. And then last night, bad luck continued for us. I went and took a shower, took advantage of the showers, dust, had my phone with me, it's carrying in my hand, and it's a Pixel 2 XL, and I dropped it straight down onto a rock. They say you gotta watch over that two-way traffic. But yeah, 4th of July still ended up being a good trip. It kind of knocked me off my thought process. Anyways, they took care of me. Got there last week or so. Yeah, nice lady at the desk checked me in. Was there a little early. They gave me an appointment at 10:30 in the morning. I got there probably about 10:15, and she said I beat the technician there, which is fine. I mean, my appointment wasn't until 10:30, and told me about 45 minutes to an hour, and I rode my wee strum out there, so I ate a little breakfast from the gas station that was there, and went to Lowell's and checked out some weed whackers. I could use a weed whacker. If you guys have any recommendations, tell me down in the comments below. It'd be appreciated. After I looked at the weed whackers and messed around for a little bit, went back to the store in Vacaville, and sure enough, my phone was ready, signed the paperwork, and man, my phone is flawless. After dealing with those other places, I can highly recommend that place. So if you need your phone fixed and you live in the North Bay or anywhere close, I would definitely recommend Solano Phone Repair. They're not paying me to say any of this. It just seems like it's so hard to get good service these days. Alright, the bad luck continued after I got my phone repaired. Luckily I didn't break my phone again. When I went to leave, my weed strum seemed like it had a little cranking power. Like, that's weird. Battery's low. I just assumed I left the parking brakes or something stupid on and drained the battery. But about 20 minutes on my way home, of course, the middle of nowhere in the farmland, my bike started blinking its ABS light, and the gauges went dead, and started running really funny until eventually just went bleh on me. And I was doing 50, so I tried to bump start it. No go. I looked, pulled the seat off, checked the battery connections, make sure it wasn't anything like really stupid. No go. So I eventually ended up calling a family member who was luckily available. Was able to come help me out. It was actually my mother. She came out and picked me up and was able to go grab my truck, and with a little help from my father, I mean, loading a 500-pound street bike is a little bit different than loading a 200-pound CR250 into the truck. We were able to, with a little luck, get it up the ramp into my Chevy Colorado and tie it down and get it back. Not the funnest experience. I did luckily have some people that were nice enough to check on me and see how I was doing. And that one guy with the trailer stopped and asked if I needed help, but he didn't go out to Rio Vista. If I already didn't have someone coming, I might have said, hey, for $100, you want to tow me the 30 miles? Would have been a bit more convenient. That's alright. I got the bike home and charged the battery. The battery seemed okay. Put a voltmeter across the poles with the bike running, and it looks like something in the charging system. So I did all the voltmeter tests the book calls for, and discovered that I have a bad stator. Anyone been around motorcycles long enough know those 650s and 600 bikes like to eat those stators. So another project on the list. I've been trying to decide if I want to go OEM or get one of those electric sport stators or anything goes. Alright, if you guys got any recommendations or have lived with one or the other, why don't you let me know? Be fun. Put a stator in there, get a new charging system, and should be good to go. It just seemed like a lot of bad luck lately with mechanical stuff, but that's what motorcycles are all about, aren't they? Ride them, break them, fix them, and repeat. Just like the endless cycle of washing a dirt bike. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good August, are staying cool out there, and you enjoy the rest of summer. And those of you who have to go back to school, hope you focus on school. And for those who are way out of school, holidays are not too far behind. And California's riding season's really the winter here. Where everyone else gets snow, we get rain and traction and get rid of the dust. So looking forward to that. Yep. You guys are welcome to stick around and watch some more of the ride, or have a good rest of your August, huh? I hope to be out here riding some more and give you guys some more videos, and let me know what type of content you guys like to see. Want to see more ride videos? Want to listen to me talk? You want to learn how to change an oil on a CR250? I'm up for anything. Just let me know. Comment. Subscribe somewhere, wherever that is, and don't forget to like the video.